Hi, I'm Asha Newbold, property partner for CR Real Estate, and I'm here today on Balmoral Road in Gillingham. Now, a short distance, about 5 minutes down that way, is Gillingham mainline train station, offering fast links into London. And a short distance that way is the ever popular Priestfield Stadium where the local Gills team play. Let's go inside and take a look around. So the property is currently set out with 5 separate rooms that are all used as bedrooms, all offering ensuite bathrooms. We then have this communal area, which is a lounge dining room that leads beautifully onto a really nice spacious kitchen with integrated appliances. Local primary schools include the Napier Primary and Nursery Academy, Balmoral Infant School and St Mary's Catholic Primary School. Secondary schools include the Robert Napier School, Brompton Academy and Chatham Grammar School. A short distance down the road is also the Gillingham High Street, offering an array of shops. This property offers so much versatility. It currently offers 5 separate rooms, all offering an ensuite shower room. However, if you did want this to be a 3-bedroom family home, then why not turn the 2 rooms downstairs back into reception rooms? The cellar is also ready to be adapted into a potential 6th room. So with the right licensing and the right permissions, this could be a potential HMO. So that concludes the tour of this property on Balmoral Road. If you'd like to come and view, give me a call today on the number below and I'll arrange a viewing.